Let's turn the corner to another tool, or perhaps notorious thing that lawyers are sometimes accused of doing, which is threatening the other side. If you do this, I'll bear you in litigation, or you'll regret that mistake. We see it in movies. Is it actually permitted ethically?
There's one kind of threat that is specifically prohibited in the ethics rules. And that is in the middle of a civil case. I can't say, Joel, I'm going to see that you get convicted and thrown in jail for the rest of your life. I'm not allowed, it's the one specific thing, I'm not allowed to threaten you with a criminal action in a civil. Why? Because I'm not a prosecutor. Now, some jurisdictions, this is interesting, in the District of Columbia, you may also not threaten somebody with an administrative action, meaning, Joel, that was an unethical thing you did, and I'm going to take you to the bar and get you disciplined and disbarred. I can't do that. And I also can't say, I know you've been cheating on your taxes, so I'm going to call up the IRS and have you audited. That's also threatening either criminal or administrative action. And the lawyer ethical rules say that I can't threaten you with that. Now, some places have this by case law, so even if it's not in the rules, you're not. And the idea is, the only reason the threat is prohibited is because somebody at a policy level thinks that the control of those things that I'm threatening you with are not mine. It's the IRS or it's the state bar, and I can't threaten you with something that I can't follow through on. But threatening, obviously if I say I'm going to kill you, for example, that could be an actionable crime, my threatening you that way. But there's nothing in the ethics rules that says I can't say that.
But what about threats that might be more realistic to come out of the mouth of a lawyer? I mean, I would shudder to hear a lawyer threatening to kill opposing counsel, but you may imagine a case where a lawyer says, look, you don't want to bring this to court. I'm going to bury you. I'm going to litigate, so I'm going to file so many motions, and I'm going to bring such power to bear that your client won't be able to afford this.
The thing that's really touchy, I teach this all the time, because it might fall in the cracks of what I just told you about. For individuals, this is why people that are undocumented don't come forward and complain about wage claims and things like that. Lawyers will threaten, I'm going to tell ICE, about your client who's here illegally. And that can be not just for wage workers, but somebody who's got a very big business and isn't fully legal in the country. And that's the kind of thing that lawyers threaten. And some states now prohibit that you can't threaten somebody that you're going to take action about their immigration status.